Hey guys, it's Danny. Short little update on my Phalaenopsis bellina because I'm sure some of you were wondering. There she is. If you don't really know the history with this one, this is one of my oldest orchids, or should I say the mother plant of this is one of my oldest orchids. Recently, it developed some crown issues. It was absolutely healthy, let's say, quote unquote, root-wise absolutely fine, but the crown just got distorted, or I don't know, something happened to it. So it decided to push out a keiki, which is this guy over here. One thing you should know about the bellina, if you don't know, is that it has the Orchid Phalaenopsis virus for a lot of years. I was hoping that it would kind of push through and it would eliminate the virus on its own. There is no known treatment or cure for viruses other than the immune system of the orchid taking it out. And what else can we do? Just offer good conditions for the orchid to thrive and not be stressed. Stress is the #1 reason why many orchids just give up. This is why we're losing them. Apart from stuff like crown rot and sunburns and stuff, which are direct actions, everything else like setback and all of those things, they are more indirect in my opinion. It is the stress of our action that causes demise. Stress weakens a plant severely and it leaves it susceptible to all sorts of ailments. So this orchid needed to be stress-free in order to fight that virus. I don't think if we can ever win the battle, but I love this orchid and I'm willing to keep it. Viruses are not spread easily if we're a little careful disinfecting our tools. Really, just by touching another plant, it's not going to transmit the virus. We also have to be careful with pests and not have a lot of pests in our collection that can transmit the virus. I don't have another orchid infected with this virus after so many years, so I'm good with that. So I was hoping that the orchid will eliminate the virus on its own, or it will not pass it to the keiki. I don't know, I was telling you in a previous video that I still see signs of chlorosis, but recently the leaves look pretty good, don't they? I think they do. And furthermore, it is blooming and the bloom smells amazing. I was recording a different video and I was just crossing in front of the cabinet in which this one sits, and there was this beautiful perfume and I was like, what smells? Because there's no orchid like next to me in bloom that smells like this. It was just the fragrance emanating from the IKEA cabinet from this orchid. It is divine. It smells wonderful. So I decided, you know what? She deserves a little bit of a spotlight. She smells amazing. And also let's give you a little bit of a update on the repotting. If you missed the repotting, check it down below. It looks good. Everything is okay. The roots did not grow out of the drainage holes just yet, but the orchid looks absolutely good. The roots that I see on top look good. Everything is okay. The orchid is not very stressed or dehydrated. It took a little bit probably to acclimate, but not a whole lot. So now everything is okay. There's another flower spike in the back here that has started to grow. They saw a crow flying. That is the danger call. So I have another flower spike developing here, you can see, but this one is growing strong. I have other buds forming here and it smells so nice. So because I have so much history with this little orchid, or with the mother of this orchid, but you know, this is a clone, let's say, of my original one, I just don't want to let it go and I want to hang on to it. Hopefully the keiki will not have the same fate, but there's something you should know about virused orchids. They will not generally behave normally. So if they go through some sort of unforeseen anomaly, it's usually because of the virus wreaking havoc, pretty much. So I don't know what's going to happen with the keiki, but I do have an emotional connection to it and I'm rooting for it. And I'm trying to give it the best life that I can so that it's not stressed, but I don't know. So this is the update. So far so good. It's pushing through, as you can see, and it delights me with the most wonderful of flowers. And by the way, if you didn't know, Phalaenopsis bellina is the queen of the Phalaenopsis, the fragrant queen of the Phalaenopsis. Now you do. If you ever see it for sale and the price is okay with you, I do believe you should absolutely take it. If you're a fragrance lover, I don't think you're gonna regret it. It smells divine. One of the most beautiful smelling orchids in my collection for sure. So this has been the update. The bellina is still hanging on. through its keiki, and hopefully we're gonna do much better from now on. Righty, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching this short and sweet Wednesday video. I hope you'll have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.